Hello everybody. Today is a little sunny outside, back in Kelowna. Gonna do some more maintenance on my race moto here. I gotta change the oil. So it's freaking cold in here. I got the propane heater rocking out. Got some lights going on my Seattle tool bench. And clean the whole bike. But now once I change the oil, I'm going to dissect everything, the tank, the tail, and clean all that bullshit rubber that gets everywhere. And then I'm going to take the front end apart and re-grease everything in the front end. Since I washed it, there could be a little rust water in there. I already did the rear. And hopefully that battery Shirai in there is going to have a little bit of kick to it still. As you can see, I got 223 kilometers on the oil right now, and the bike has, 176 kilometers on the oil, so 300 is normally when I change it. But the bike got 11,041 kilometers. Alright, here we go. Warm-up process, guys. So, by running a higher idle right off the bat, I'm increasing the oil pressure to the head. You want to get oil lubrication to the head right away. And by doing little blips, you increase the oil pressure. It's kind of like pumping it, like pump the oil pressure a little bit, just to make sure it gets up to the head. I mean, it's freezing in here too, so I got AMSOIL in there. It doesn't freeze at all until like negative 30 Celsius, but it's still going to be a little thicker. I was actually warming up the Rally Miata here too. I'm going to get this thing road legal here pretty soon. So I'm just warming up the oil temperature to like 200 Fahrenheit. No turbo, no turbo. This car is just a parts car now. I mean, I need a new radiator, as you can see, but it still will hold the fluid as long as it doesn't overheat. It's got a remote bypass filter, so I got a bigger oil filter AMSOIL on there. Nice, easy access. And yeah, it's got some bracing down there. You know, the whole engine's been built, bigger pistons, 2mm overbore, but that was all screwed up by the engine builder, unfortunately. So he needs a new rebuild again. Anyways, let's see what the oil temperature is. I've got the fans on, 171. Alright. Turn the fan off to get that oil. Anyways, guys, look at this AMSOIL sticker. That's classic. And I gotta do some winterizing on the Ford Power Stroke too. I gotta take the batteries out. I'll run it one last time. Oh, let's go check on the bike. $73 Celsius. We'll bring it up to 80. I want to get any moisture out of the oil. Well, I'm dumping the oil anyway, so I guess it's not a huge deal, but you want to bring the oil temperature up. So that's the coolant temperature. The oil is not even close to what the coolant temperature is. You got to realize that. It takes a long time. And that's why in the Rally Miata, you know, the coolant can start to boil, but the actual oil temp is still not there yet. So anyways, guys, I'll come back a little later on as I start to take the bike apart, show you all the dirt under the tank. Cheers.